Here we are at a standard dryer, residential dryer. We're going to do an airflow check on it and see if we've got good airflow through these vents. In order to do it, a simple 5-second check with a piece of paper. I'm going to go ahead and push the door switch in, and it could be anywhere around this door on your model. Mine's just so happens to be right there. I'm going to go ahead and start the unit up, holding that door switch in, and just take that piece of paper and it sucks right onto that vent. Means I got great airflow. Sucks that paper in, just sucks it right in. That means all that moist, wet, hot air, and you want to let it run for a good 30 seconds or so to make sure the air is charged all the way through that vent and blowing outside. Because if you just do it right away, sometimes you get a false reading of if you have flow or not. But in this case, definitely have good airflow. So this dryer's got good venting.